Hello, coffee enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to uncover the hidden gems behind one of Vietnam's most beloved beverages, Cà Phê Sữa Đá, or Vietnamese iced milk coffee. Sure, here's the process to make Vietnamese iced milk coffee, Cà Phê Sữa Đá. Ingredients: coarsely ground Vietnamese coffee, often Robusta. Sweetened condensed milk. Ice cubes. Use a Vietnamese drip coffee maker, fin, or any other coffee brewing method you prefer. Add 2-3 tablespoons of coarsely ground coffee into the fin. Place the fin over a glass or cup containing a couple of tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. Press down the coffee using the fin's press. Pour a small amount of hot water, just off the boil, into the fin and let it drip through the coffee grounds. This allows the coffee to bloom. After the first drip, add more hot water to the fin and let it slowly drip through the coffee grounds. This entire process might take a few minutes. Mixing the coffee and milk. Once the coffee has finished dripping, stir the brewed coffee and sweetened condensed milk in the glass to combine them thoroughly. Adjust the sweetness by adding more condensed milk if needed. Fill a separate glass with ice cubes. Pour the coffee milk mixture over the ice. The ice will melt slightly and dilute the coffee, creating the iced coffee effect. Give the drink a quick stir to ensure the flavors are evenly distributed. Enjoy your refreshing Vietnamese iced milk coffee, Cà Phê Sữa Đá. Note: the condensed milk provides both sweetness and creaminess to the coffee, which is a signature feature of Vietnamese coffee. You can adjust the amount of condensed milk to suit your taste preferences. Coffee was introduced to Vietnam during the French colonial era in the late 19th century, and it quickly became an integral part of the country's culture. Vietnamese people ingeniously combined their rich coffee tradition with condensed milk, leading to the birth of this iconic drink. Cà Phê Sữa Đá isn't just a beverage, it's a way of life in Vietnam. It's often enjoyed in social settings, where friends and family gather to share stories and build connections. The pace of life slows down as people savor the moment while sipping on this delightful concoction. The key ingredient, besides coffee, is the use of a traditional drip filter called a fin. This small, metal filter ensures that the coffee is brewed slowly, allowing for the distinct flavors to develop. Traditionally, Robusta beans are preferred over Arabica for this brew due to their strong and bitter flavor profile. Once the coffee has dripped into a glass of condensed milk, it's poured over a generous amount of ice, creating a refreshing and indulgent contrast. This ingredient, a relic from Vietnam's French colonial past, adds a creamy sweetness that perfectly balances the coffee's bitterness. Condensed milk was introduced to Vietnam by the French. Since fresh milk was scarce, the locals adapted by using condensed milk, and it's now an inseparable part of our coffee culture. While condensed milk remains the classic choice, there are variations that cater to different preferences. Some opt for coconut milk, soy milk, or even yogurt to add a unique twist to this timeless beverage. Coffee is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. In moderation, coffee can boost metabolism and aid in weight management. While the classic Cà Phê Sữa Đá remains unbeatable, different regions in Vietnam have put their own twists on this beloved drink. Hanoi is famous for its egg coffee, where egg yolks are whipped with sugar and condensed milk to create a rich, velvety topping for the coffee. In the coastal areas, coconut coffee brings a tropical flair to the beverage, and in recent times, yogurt coffee has gained popularity among the health-conscious crowd. Cà Phê Sữa Đá is more than just a drink. It's an integral part of Vietnamese culture and a symbol of social bonding. From street-side vendors to sophisticated cafes, the coffee culture in Vietnam is diverse and inclusive. It's not uncommon to see people from all walks of life sharing a table, sipping their favorite brew, and engaging in heartfelt conversations. Our cafe serves as a meeting place for the community. We've witnessed friendships blossoming, business deals being sealed, and love stories igniting, all over a cup of Cà Phê Sữa Đá. In recent years, Cà Phê Sữa Đá has transcended borders and captivated the hearts of coffee aficionados around the world. Cafes in various countries have introduced this Vietnamese delight to their menus, and people are falling in love with its unique blend of flavors. This global embrace speaks volumes about the power of culture and culinary traditions to bridge gaps and bring people together. As we conclude our journey into the world of Cà Phê Sữa Đá, let's raise our glasses to the harmonious blend of tradition and innovation that makes this beverage truly exceptional. From its humble origins to its global influence, Cà Phê Sữa Đá is a testament to the way something as simple as a cup of coffee can forge connections, celebrate culture, and ignite moments of joy. Thank you for joining us on this delightful expedition. Remember, wherever you are in the world, a cup of Cà Phê Sữa Đá is just a sip away from experiencing the magic of Vietnam's coffee culture. Until next time, keep exploring, keep sipping, and keep cherishing the small pleasures that bring us all closer.